So my name's Samantha Lamond and I've been working with Energy360 for nearly 12 years. So we were really thrilled to sell to AGL because we meant that we could keep our renewable gas dream alive. And with AGL's backing and AGL's interest in this space, that it's been a really successful 2.5 years. One of the key strategies for Energy360 is to decarbonise behind the meter for their customers. Without gas, and trying to electrify for a lot of these customers is actually unrealistic. At the moment, it's very expensive. We've heard today about electric boilers, but we didn't hear anything about the cost. So we were really pleased to be a part of this conference, to be able to promote our side of the renewable heat story. Some of our customers are the largest of their type in the world. However, they also have a lot of biogas available, and they're able to almost offset all of their gas usage, and just such a huge opportunity to capture the gas that's already being made and going to the atmosphere at the moment, and reducing the emissions and reducing costs by being able to put it into a boiler to displace natural gas and create steam. We have our largest customers saying to us, we need to reduce our gas consumption. We need to reduce our natural gas, our fossil fuel consumption. So it's about, taking something that's a waste product and turning it into something that reduces our use of fossil fuels. So that's what excites me.